To use the TSB Bank loan calculator, follow these simple steps. First, go to the TSB Bank website and navigate to the loan section where you will find the loan calculator tool. Click on the calculator to access it and begin by selecting the type of loan you are interested in, such as a personal loan or a car loan. Next, enter the amount you want to borrow and the repayment period in months or years. The calculator will then ask for your monthly income and other financial information to assess your affordability. After entering the required details, the calculator will provide you with an estimated monthly repayment amount and the total amount repayable over the loan term. It will also display the annual percentage rate and other relevant loan details. Use the calculator to compare different loan options and repayment periods to find the one that best suits your needs and budget. You can adjust the loan amount and repayment period to see how it affects your monthly repayments and the total cost of the loan. When using the loan calculator, keep in mind that the results are only an estimate and the actual loan terms may vary depending on your individual circumstances and the bank's lending criteria. It is also important to read and understand the terms and conditions of the loan before applying. By following these steps and using the TSB Bank loan calculator, you can make an informed decision about your loan options and find a repayment plan that works for you. Remember to always review and compare different loan options carefully and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor if you are unsure about any aspect of the loan.